Hiya Group Voice Chat App Full Overview. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, head over to your Play Store and then search for Hiya Group Voice Chat. So this is the app you'd be looking for, and basically this app is used for voice chat with several people. You can also go live or see people going live and interact with them, send them gifts, play with them, and also there are several options of singing, Ludo, Dominic, and Party. You will get to know about these features once you install the application. The reviews are good and the ratings are also high in this app, so you can give this app a try if you want to get socialized and get to know people. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.